So, how do you turn your smartphone into a webcam? So, to start off, I am using a DroidCam. This is an application that turns your Android phone into a webcam. So, for this to work, you need to install the PC version or the desktop version of the application. So, after doing so, you'll need to open up DroidCam. And here, there's two ways for you to connect to your webcam, and that is through the USB and the Wi-Fi. So for this one, we'll be using the Wi-Fi. So after using the Wi-Fi, you'll be prompted here where you'll need to type the correct IP for this to work. So just copy the one on the phone to the PC, and after doing so, the webcam will be connected. And you can adjust accordingly to which camera you want it to work for. So I recommend you use the front camera so it's easier to leverage the phone. Okay, that's it. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful topics.